You're not done yet? You're so slow. Do you know how much I pay you to work here?
I almost done, sir. Just a few more things.
You better finish quickly. I've been patient with you, but don't think that will last forever.
I can always find someone else.
I don't know if I can take it anymore. Every day they laugh at me, call me names, make me feel like I don't belong here.
Yeah, they say things about mom, about us, being poor. It's just so humiliating.
You're still working? Haven't you told you enough times to rest? Why do you insist on pushing yourself like this?
I just want to finish everything, sir.
You're always so eager. You think I don't notice your determination? You'll do anything to keep your job, won't you?
You want to keep your job. You need to show us something more.
I came here to work, not to put up with it. I want to go home.
You'll never go home. Kisha, you belong here now.
What they don't know is that they will never define the truth out. You want to get so very young, then be the strongest one in the room.
Hannah, if you want to fight our country, then do it. Zena, Laurie, you two have the strength to be a leader.
Even I can change lately, Keisha. What's going on? You're not yourself.
I'm tired of being treated like I don't matter. I'm more than just your maid, and I deserve respect.
You think you can demand respect from us? We own you.
No, John, you don't own me. I own my future. I'm done. I'm leaving.
In Breaking Free, women's empowerment and gender equality are woven throughout the narrative, reflecting the strength, resilience, and determination of the female characters in the face of adversity. The story explores these themes in several key ways.
Number 1. Keisha's empowerment and struggle against abuse. Keisha's journey highlights the strength of women in difficult situations. As an overseas Filipino worker, she endures physical and emotional abuse from her boss, John. However, her resilience, determination, and love for her children fuel her refusal to let herself be broken by mistreatment.
Her journey toward empowerment comes when she stands up for herself, confronting her abuser and deciding to leave her oppressive job. Despite the social and economic challenges she faces, Keisha's refusal to be dominated by her boss is an act of claiming her autonomy. She breaks free from the cycle of abuse and chooses to prioritize her dignity over the fear of losing her job. Demonstrating the power of women's self-worth and independence.
Keisha's role as a mother in the empowerment of her daughters. Keisha's empowerment is also reflected in how she empowers her daughters. Her sacrifices, working abroad and enduring hardship are driven by her hope that her daughters will have better opportunities. She does not want them to face the same struggles
of them has big dreams to be a soldier, a leader, and leader. These dreams are traditionally seen as male-dominated fields. Yet the story challenges these leaders' stereotypes by showing that women can achieve whatever they find in store.
Youths who let societal expectation limit their potential and is supported by their peers, particularly by David, a member of the LGBTQ community, who believes in their strength and encourage them to pursue their dreams without hesitation. This reflects gender equality by showing that both women and men can aspire to and achieve their goals regardless of societal norms about their genders.
Demonstrates the importance of solidarity in fighting gender inequality. David's unwavering support for Iya, Hannah, and Lori is crucial in showing that men can also be allies in the fight for gender equality.
Overcoming bullying and social stigma. Throughout the story, the girls face bullying because of their backgrounds and their genes. This is particularly challenging for young girls who feel pressure to conform to society's expectations of them. Their ability to face these challenges is very significant, highlights the importance of resilience in gender equality. Verse 6. Breaking free from traditional gender roles. The culmination of the story represents the breaking of traditional gender roles. Keisha's courage to leave her abusive job and her daughter's determination to pursue their dreams showcase a rejection of the roles society expects them to play. These choices emphasize that gender equality is about the freedom to choose any path without being restricted by outdated gender